So what's great about being able to sketch out your ideas is you come up with the ideas as you're sketching them out. So let's say we have a pizza place, and let's say they have the word pizza in their logo. So just the simple act of writing it out by hand, we could start to go, okay, so we have these two Z's here, and I'm already starting to see kind of some pizza shapes, just right here in this area and here. So those two little areas are now maybe some white space opportunities to be able to bring out pizza. So now I'm going to do some little small pepperoni. And there you go. You can even have another slice. Another slice. You know, or you can keep it simple. And I think it'd be neat to do that. So you just have kind of a quick little example of how you can make that happen. You can apply color to those little pepperonis. Whatever floats your boat. Instead of having a black line. Maybe it's more subtle when you bring it into Illustrator. You can have fun and really play with this logo and play with that white space that's created. You can recreate this font in a font in Illustrator as opposed to handwritten to make it look sharp and modern. So there's a lot of neat things you can do. Whew, that took a little time to figure out, didn't it? It should take a little time to find the right font choice and color combo that feels right to you. I wanted to show that process of noodling around with the logo, as it is completely normal to go back and forth on a lot of different aspects of the design. And right now I'm playing around with the color choices. I'm wanting the Z to be kind of like a baked bread color, and I wanted the pepperonis to remain red so that they become an obvious white space figure within the Z. If I didn't have the pepperoni red, I would be afraid that maybe the white space pizza wouldn't be obvious enough. So in the end, I decided to settle for a sans serif font because I thought it was a little more contemporary and it'll go with my final theme. I'm going to kind of show some little mock-ups. I got these mock-ups on graphicburger.com. Here, I'll show you in a minute. And it's a great place to go, get those mock-ups, place your logo on these mock-ups and see if you like how it's going. It can help you test color and kind of help you settle on some final branded colors. I ended up with a couple different variations, one that can work on a lighter background and one that can work on a darker background. And I also wanted to apply this to some realistic real-world applications to kind of see what background color and other color themes I can come up with. I think the brainstorming process was made easier by starting with a traditional sketching method because I might not have seen that little space unless I started to play around with it. So I highly suggest starting out a logo design with the sketching process. You never know what that humble little sketch will turn into.